Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dota 2 without internet. First, ensure your Dota 2 client is completely updated while you still have an internet connection. This is crucial for accessing all game files offline. Once updated, launch Steam and switch to offline mode before starting Dota 2. This method allows you to enjoy bot matches and practice your skills even when you're completely disconnected from the web. It's a great way to keep playing anywhere. To set up an offline match, open the Dota 2 client and navigate to the Play tab. From there, select the Practice with Bots option. You can then choose your preferred game mode, such as All Pick or Captain's Mode, and adjust the bot difficulty. This allows you to tailor the experience to your skill level, whether you're a beginner learning the ropes or an experienced player honing advanced strategies against tougher AI opponents. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button. And on another note, for those long gaming sessions, your feet deserve the best. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They are incredibly comfortable and durable. Check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. You have several options to customize your offline games. You can easily adjust the bot difficulty from passive, which is very easy, all the way up to unfair, providing a significant challenge. This is perfect for practicing new heroes or refining your mechanics. Additionally, advanced players can use console commands to modify game settings, spawn items, or even control specific aspects of the match, offering endless possibilities for training and experimentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.